Introduction to robot vacuum navigation.
Robot vacuum cleaners are more than just small gadgets that roam your floors. These smart devices use advanced technology to understand their surroundings, avoid obstacles, and clean efficiently. But how do they actually find their way around your home? Let's explore the fascinating technology behind their navigation systems.
Sensing the environment.
To navigate safely, robot vacuums rely on sensors. Common types include infrared sensors, bump sensors, and cliff sensors. Infrared sensors detect walls and furniture, while bump sensors tell the robot when it's hit an obstacle. Cliff sensors help the vacuum avoid stairs or drop-offs, ensuring safe movement throughout your space.
Mapping the room.
Some advanced robot vacuums use mapping technology like LIDAR, light detection and ranging, or cameras. These systems create a digital map of your rooms by scanning surroundings in real time. Mapping allows vacuums to know where they've been, identify obstacles, and plan systematic cleaning paths, avoiding random movement and missed spots.
Path planning and efficient cleaning.
With a map of the room, the robot software calculates the most efficient cleaning route. Algorithms determine the best path to cover every area without wasting time or energy. Many models also remember where they've already cleaned, ensuring full coverage and the ability to resume after recharging or being paused.
Avoiding obstacles and adapting on the fly.
If a robot vacuum encounters unexpected objects like shoes or cords, its real-time sensors detect and reroute around them. Some advanced models even recognize specific obstacles or high-traffic areas, adjusting speed or suction as needed. This quick adaptation helps protect both your vacuum and belongings.
The future of robot vacuum navigation.
Continued innovation in robot vacuum navigation means smarter, more efficient machines. With improvements in artificial intelligence, better sensors, and ongoing mapping advancements, future robot vacuums may clean faster, avoid more objects, and customize cleaning routines specifically for your home's unique layout.